You're trying to start selling online and need the best website builder. The 2026 options are, well, every builder promises AI, one-click stores, infinite freedom, yada yada. Yet some are simply superior to others. So for this video, I picked 3 of the best website builders for online stores that are affordable, beginner-friendly, and won't waste your time on nonsense. To start, let's say you don't really have a set goal in mind and need an all-around best website builder for small businesses. Hostinger is probably the most obvious recommendation. You get a really easy to use drag and drop editor, simple marketing tools, templates that already look modern, and AI that can even fill in product details for you. Basically, Hostinger makes it extremely easy to launch your first small website, providing solutions for some of the most frustrating parts of the process. One of the biggest reasons Hostinger is first is that you can build multiple sites on a single subscription, making it even cheaper in the long run. Performance is also surprisingly solid despite the price. Fast loading and stable uptime, along with the full NVMe and Lightspeed setup, actually put Hostinger among the fastest website builders on the market. For online stores specifically, Hostinger covers the basics really well. Product pages, checkout, inventory, payments, mobile optimization, integrations, and AI. Now, that's enough for most people, but do note that the Hostinger website builder is a relatively new player in this game, so it lacks some more advanced tools and integrations. It's getting there though, even offering a full roadmap for upcoming ideas. And not many builders go out of their way to keep you informed. But yeah, the biggest improvement in the future should be adding a third-party app marketplace, since it would fill in the remaining small gaps. That's why Hostinger wins in my choice for best website builder overall and is probably the easiest AI website builder for e-commerce if you're a complete beginner. What if you're more of an artist or want to sell something stylish? Then the one and only best website builder for e-commerce for you is Squarespace. If Hostinger is all about speed and simplicity, Squarespace is all about presentation. This builder consistently has some of the best templates available, and honestly, stores built on Squarespace tend to look expensive even when they're not. Those designs are no joke. They've won multiple awards, but just because they look so complex doesn't mean the builder itself is hard to use. Squarespace probably has my favorite website editing workflow. The editor is minimalistic and non-invasive. You get only the most necessary tools, and everything feels very responsive. Their e-commerce tools are also stronger than what most other beginner-friendly builders can offer. You get built-in product management, checkout flows, inventory controls, marketing features, SEO options, analytics, email campaigns, and the best part is that all of these tools are easy to understand and use, even for beginners. The only downside? It's way more expensive than Hostinger, since each website project requires its own separate, not-so-cheap subscription. But if you have the dough, as they say, Squarespace is really worth it. Easily one of the best online store builders for creatives. So, if I said Squarespace was a bit more expensive and that scared you, then IONOS might be the best e-commerce website builder for you. It offers an unbeatable deal for a premium website builder. Oh, and despite being so cheap, it also includes unique features like a personal consultant and even a competitor tracking tool that can help give you an edge over others. Yes, the price will jump after renewal, but even then, with all the features and resources you get, it's well worth it. The best way to use IONOS is to test your e-commerce or business idea, since the $1 deal doesn't require you to subscribe for years and years. You pay a few dollars, test out your business, and see whether it's profitable after that first year. You get a simple editor, business email options, marketing tools, and enough features to launch a small store without needing any external tools right away. The trade-off is flexibility. Design freedom isn't amazing. Don't get me wrong, the templates look modern, but we can't compare them to Squarespace. Though I do love that they offer 2 editing modes, a static one and a full drag and drop one, so every beginner can adapt to the style they prefer. App integrations are pretty limited though, similar to Hostinger. Overall, this is the best no-code website builder if you're on a budget. To simplify this whole best website builders for online stores video, Hostinger is the easiest overall choice for most people and has everything you need for small to medium-sized sites. Squarespace offers the best looking stores and the strongest branding focused website builder experience. It's more expensive, but well worth it. Lastly, IONOS is the cheapest way to get started and test your e-commerce ideas. Simple and affordable. So the question is, which top website builder are you gonna pick? Drop a comment with what you're planning. I'm curious to see what people are building in 2026. Okay, thank you for watching till the end. You're the best. See you in the next one.